Hey, I'm VanVuren, and this is my model of the larynx, which is a big part of the phonatory system. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you the structures in the posterior view. So from superior to inferior, we have the epiglottis, which is leaf-shaped and made of elastic cartilage. And then we have, you can see in the plastic wrap, that's the thyrohyoid membrane from the inside. And here in blue, we have the cuneiforms, which are also elastic, and those are paired, so there's one over here too. It's just a little harder to see. But the epiglottis is unpaired. It's just by itself, keeping you from choking all the time. Alright, so next we have the arytenoids. So the arytenoids are actually here in blue, kind of triangular and a little too big in my model, but they help you bring together your vocal folds before phonation, and that helps you speak. Alright, so along with the arytenoids, which are made of hyaline, we have the corniculates sitting just on top of them, which are more elastic. They're made of elastic cartilage. So, and down here, underneath all of that, we've got the posterior part of the cricoid membrane, which is pretty cool because it's much wider in the posterior view. And it just kind of helps give support to all of this because it's hyaline cartilage, so it ossifies. It's not elastic or stretchy. Alright, and then the cricoid cartilage is continuous with the trachea, and the trachea is demonstrated here also in purple and has tracheal rings in white. So that, is how you get air to your lungs and out of your lungs and everything. Alright, now on to the anterior view. Alright, this time going from inferior to superior, we just went over the trachea, and here's the narrower front piece of, here's the narrower front piece of the cricoid cartilage, and it's hyaline, so structure there. And above that we have the cricothyroid joint, where the cricoid and the thyroid cartilages come together. Then we have the membrane that also joins them together, the thyrocricoid membrane. It's the cricothyroid membrane, sorry. And here's the thyroid cartilage, and it's also hyaline, and it's made of two lamina on the sides here that come together in the middle and form the thyroid notch, also called the Adam's apple. And above the thyroid cartilage, we have the thyrohyoid membrane, which joins the thyroid and the rest of the larynx, really, to the hyoid bone. And the hyoid bone is really important for the larynx because it suspends the entire thing in the proper place in your phonatory system. So the hyoid bone has arches, and these arches have horns, and these two are the lesser horns, or the lesser cornu of the hyoid, and these two, you can see both of them that way, right, are the greater horns of the hyoid, and that's the larynx. Thanks for watching.